Check it out, everyone! Madam Eileen is an official Google guide. For years, I've been traveling around, checking out parks and venues, and I write reviews. I write Google reviews and share pictures of what makes a venue really amazing and special. And I'm level 9, and I got this Google Guide pin and a thank you card. Some of my pictures have several million views. So do look up Google Guides in Phoenix, Arizona, and check out. I'm Eileen Smith, Google Guides. Do follow me and do write your own reviews. It's a lot of fun creating a way to remember places you've been. So, yay! Google Guide level 9. Bye! Have fun. I love to have fun. Wow. Got a shiny pin. Look at this little guy. I can now put it on my little lapel, and when I review places, I can look official. Ooh. I wish I had a little special press pass that I could wear, but alas. Do I get paid for it? Nope. I don't get paid at all. I'm just doing it because I want to document the fun that I have in the Phoenix Valley and all the neat things that make it special. So, go out, have some fun, become a Google Guide. You never know, you might enjoy it too and be doing it for years and years and years just like me. Bye.